Today we're going to be telling the story of one day at Urban Herbs with a difference, as we show you a really random rainy Friday and you know what we do here. So I'm going to go off delivering, Kate is going to stay here picking out loads of orders, and let's just see how today goes. You ready for it, Kate?
Yay! Hello! So you've just seen that Andy has just gone out on deliveries. I am on collection duty, so let's see what Teresa is up to.
What we're doing today is a bit different to our normal video. It's maybe the other videos are in the polytunnels, they're a little bit more stylised. This is like handheld. It's showing how I spend a lot of my day, which is running a business, strangely enough. So today I am doing 41 local deliveries, 41 local drops across Birmingham and the West Midlands. I'm currently at my first drop of the day in a place called Tipton. I've got 3 drops here, and yeah, I'm going to deliver the first tray of plants to the first customer. I hope that she's home, and yeah, let's see how today goes. It is a very rainy day outside, guys, and yeah, it's a real day. We picked this day at random. I'm going to get very wet, but I'm going to meet some customers face to face, and I'm really excited. I'll take you with me and show you how today goes. I hope there's not too much traffic. Lots of orders. First delivery done. I think there's about 40 odd to go. We tried to put extra plants into our into the orders for our customers, and she was really delighted with them. So 1 down and about 40 to go. This is going to be a long day. I'm already running 15 minutes behind schedule. Let's see how today goes. I wonder how Kate's getting on back at base.
Okay, what are you up to, Teresa?
Well, I've got cola plants.
That's the smell of cola bottles I can smell.
Yes, absolutely. And it looks so frilly and pretty.
So there you go, all the little cola plants that are going to be coming out to you very soon. Very exciting.
So it's going really well. I've just done delivery number 13, and I'm actually delivering in our very local area. Some of you will know the area of Quinton, and I absolutely love my local area, I really do. And this is the kind of deliveries actually that takes quite a bit of time, because there's a lot of kind of like parking up issues. We've got quite a small van, so it makes it quite easy. It's quite economical as well. It's still raining. I just delivered to literally one of the most lovely people in the world. I'm back in Bearwood now, and Bearwood is where we started our journey. So we've got a lot of customers in this local area. And I just delivered to somebody who's just moved into a new house. She's making a new herb garden. And what I love is how friendly people are. You know, there's nobody that sort of is just very brutally short with you. Everyone's so happy to see their herbs. So I've just done delivery number 17. We're in Bearwood now. There's going to be quite a few in quick succession, so gotta keep driving. Hope Kate's not getting too wet in this rain. It's absolutely awful today.
So when Teresa is done potting them up, what we're doing is we're bringing them into this polytunnel. So we're calling it the actual nursery, because it's full of all of our baby plants. So you'll see there's the olive herb, which a lot of you have been really interested in. So those are our baby ones, going to be ready in a few weeks. And we're just getting through all of the plug plants now. So that's the order of the day.
Delivery number 35, and guess what? Blue sky, the sun's come out. And yeah, I'm over in Erdington now. Delivery number 35, just trying not to get run over. And yeah, delivery's going really well. Hope there's blue sky at home.
So you end up doing an awful lot of walking with this, but also I love the fact that you can see our trees are starting to get the blossom on it as well. So it's a really nice time of year where actually we're starting to just get that kind of coming through. And then we've got the polytunnels full of the herbs as well.
Just had a really cool chat with a customer that's going to plant a creeping red thyme lawn. That's the cool thing about doing deliveries, is you actually get to see what people are doing with these herbs. Brilliant. Is it the last delivery? I think this is number 41. I've lost count, a bit tired now. I thought I'd take you in the back of the van and actually show you the plants in this order. And the customer's actually gone for this pineapple mint, which is absolutely gorgeous. I love pineapple mint. And we've added a little extra plant in there for them as well. Also, the customer's actually gone for some lovage as well, which I absolutely love. I really hope she likes it. Let's go and find out. That was the final delivery done. She loved the herbs. We gave her an extra plant as well as a little celebration. Now it's back to base. Now that I've got back from delivering, I suppose I've got to do some work now, haven't I? So what are we potting up right now?
Well, I've got some chocolate mint. And so I'm just doing a little bit of trimming before I start potting it up.
Yeah,
And then we're going to get all these little plants into their new home.
it's quite an important point, isn't it? Because I think a lot of people are actually a bit nervous about cutting back the herbs, aren't they? And actually, when you've got mint, if you cut it back like the way you're doing, it kind of shoots fresh from the base, doesn't it?
That's right. Because otherwise your growth is going all over the place rather than directed.
And it just encourages, especially this time of year. I mean, it doesn't need much encouragement, does it?
No.
But go on then. So, what would you say your favourite job here at Urban Herbs is?
I do like potting up these little plants. There's something really good about it.
Yeah, it's one of your favourite jobs, isn't it?
It is.
It's just after 4 o'clock, so I've been on the go now for... If I started at 6 and it's now 4 o'clock, how long have I been going for? 10 hours?
Yes.
It took us way too long, but yeah, I've been on the go for about 10 hours now. And we're still going strong because we've got a lot of plants to pot up. But yeah, still smiling. Lots and lots of happy customers today from deliveries. And we've got another few hours to go, depending on what time. You know what, we never really finish, but you know, we decide to finish. So I hope you've enjoyed this kind of slightly disjointed behind the scenes look at what a typical day at Urban Herbs looks like. We're going to carry on for a few more hours, but probably not going to do any more filming, so I guess we can say goodbye at this point.
Yeah, well, you speak for yourself. I'm going in half an hour.
She's going in half an hour. See you later.
See you.